All smiles, Leah.
All smiles, and he should be. He got 17 points in this ball game. Now, Ronald, actually, kanina pa pinag-uusapan na yung susi talaga sa ball game na to yung ball movement. So far, 21 assists in the ball game. Ano naman sabi mo dito?
Well, lahat naman kami, kung anong role na binibigay ni Coach sa amin, sabi namin, even from the start na we have to know our rules sa team. So, kanina, even Mark, nag-assist, lahat kami nag-assist. Kahit ako, libre na ako, binabalik ko. So, kaya number one, sabi, kailangan share the ball.
And of course, one ball game lang to. Yung hinahanap ko talaga consistency. After this ball game, kwento ka naman tungkol sa trabaho pa that lies ahead as a team.
Well, yung game plan namin talaga, we have to move the ball every time na, saka kailangan mag-run. So, yun lang, every time na, tiwala sa teammates, yun yung ginagawa namin. Saka may babatiin ako, yung asawa ko, Marson, taga Iloilo, sa Oton, sa South, Palapala, sa Delgado, sa Mayor na sa Oton, Vice Mayor, sa Iloilo, si Piñas, tapos sa tawa ko talaga sa Bali-Bali, Pasig, yun, taga Oton, thank you.
Hindi mo nang binati siya, babati ba yan? Hindi naman. Okay, well, Steph, back to you and that lovely gentleman beside you, Konsehal.
Okay.